Bayraktar KIZILELMA PT-3, AB-assisted takeoff, maneuvering system identification test successfully conducted. Test highlights: AI-enhanced maneuvering capabilities evaluated, seamless takeoff and flight control assessment, improved combat readiness for next-gen air combat. The latest test confirms Bayraktar KIZILELMA's rapid progress toward autonomous air superiority, marking a major leap in unmanned fighter jet evolution.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.